Good morning, Eastern View. It's a great day to be a Cyclone. Welcome to our daily news.
Good morning, Cyclones. Today is Monday, October 19th, 2020 at Eastern View High School. I'm Elliot.
I am Ms. Scholes, your ASL interpreter.
And I'm Becca, and these are your morning announcements. Today is an A Day with Track A students in the building. Before our broadcast begins, let's pause for a moment of silence.
At this time, please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
We are so excited to be celebrating EV Unity Week, where we celebrate kindness, acceptance, and inclusion in a united effort to prevent bullying. We want everyone to think about kind actions they can do for others, to include those who are feeling left out, and to accept people's differences. We will be celebrating our unity with many activities, fun, and a friendly class competition that will last into Spirit Week next week. You can even earn bonus points by answering questions from an administrator, posting pictures with the kind sign, or getting your family to participate.
Today is hashtag Evie Says Hello Day. Wear your name tag that you will get in your first box today all day. Say hello to people you know and do not know. You may even get a prize. If you are at home, you can post a picture of you with a sign that says hashtag Evie Says Hello Day and use hashtag EVSpirit21 or your class year to earn points for your class team.
Let's say hello, Evie. Tomorrow, find those crazy socks and wear orange because we are celebrating EV Sock It to Bullying Day and Unity Day.
The Harry F. Byrd Leadership Award is now accepting school nominee applications. This program rewards high school students who demonstrate academic accomplishments and who also embody excellence of character, leadership, and good citizenship. Award winners will receive $15,000. You can find the application on Naviance. Deadline is October 30th.
Are you an active volunteer in the community? The Prudential Spirit of Community Award applications are now open to all grade levels. You can find the application page under Scholarships on Naviance. Applications are due November 10th.
Seniors, would you like to win an Amazon gift card or a Keurig or maybe even a TV? All you have to do is simply prepare for your future. Check your email or Google Classroom for information about the Senior Cyclone Raffle.
Seniors, it's time to fill out the FAFSA. Sign up for FAFSA night on October 20th at 6 p.m. via virtual webinar. The first 100 seniors who fill it out get free Chick-fil-A.
Now, to to our academic boosters recognition of the week.
What's cooking in the EV Cafe? Well, for lunch today, our awesome food service staff will be serving hot dog or pizza, baked beans, and fruit or juice. If you are planning on getting lunch from the EV Cafe, you will need to order by completing the Google Lunch order form on your Chromebook by 8:10 every morning so that our staff can plan how many lunches to prepare for that day.
Don't forget to stop by the cafeteria every morning after you arrive at school to get breakfast, which you can pick up and take back to your classroom. Tomorrow's breakfast will be sweet swirl roll and fruit or juice.
That's all for the morning announcements. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay informed about what's going on at Eastern View. Until next time, stay safe and remember that all together we are Cyclone Strong.
All together, we rise above the storm. Please click on the link at the end of our broadcast to watch a special YouTube video for our Unity Week that champions anti-bullying.